Voiso integrates with the Zoho CRM through an extension available from the Zoho Marketplace. To enable the Zoho CRM integration for your Voiso account, contact your Voiso Account Manager. Your login account email addresses must be the same in both Voiso and Zoho. In this video, we show you how to complete the authentication process once the Zoho CRM integration is enabled. Refer to the Voiso documentation for details about using the Zoho CRM integration. Log into Voiso using the same email address as you used to log into Zoho. From the Voiso main menu bar, click the Administration menu. Then select CRM Integration Settings. Find the Zoho CRM Settings section. You must finish authentication before the integration is enabled. Click Finish Authentication. You are redirected to the Zoho sign-in page. Enter your account email address and password. Remember to use the same account email address as you use for Voiso. The Voiso page is displayed. The Voiso integration requires access to certain Zoho account information to function. Review the contents, then click Accept. You are returned to the Voiso CRM integration settings page, and a notice displays informing that the authentication is successful. Click Save to complete the process. Your contact center is now ready to use the Zoho CRM integration with Voiso. Thanks for watching.